Now we can also find the sum of n terms of an AP, and the formula is to find sum of n terms of an AP is Sn. Sn means sum of n terms, n by 2, n number of terms, 2a, a is the first term, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. We can also write this formula in this form. This formula can also be written as n by 2 within bracket a plus l, where l is the last term, and sometimes instead of writing l we will write an. Okay, if this 2a can be written as a plus a, and then this a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d is nothing but an or last term. Okay, that is why this formula can also be written as n by 2 a plus l. So if in the question directly we are given last term and first term, then we can find the sum directly. Okay, now let us solve question based on this formula. The first and the very basic question is, find the sum of 20 terms of the AP 1, 4, 7, 10, dot dot dot. Here you have to find the sum of 20 terms. So sum of 20 terms means a is 20 we have to find. And when you write a is 20, it means the value of n is 20. So the formula is same. Asn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So here in this AP the first term is 1. The common difference is 4 minus 1, 3. And here we are given there are 20 terms. It means n is 20. So let us put the value here. So S20 is equals to 20 by 2. 2a means 2 multiplied by 1 plus n minus 1 means 20 minus 1 multiplied by d, and d is 3. So 10, 2 plus 19 multiplied by 3. So here 2 plus 57, 59. 2 plus 57, 59. So 59 multiplied by 10 is 590. So sum of 20 terms of this AP is 590. Now this is our next question. This question is for you. Question is, find the sum of the series. Now see, here they have written this word series. So at this point I want to I want to define this word series. The only difference between sequence and series is means the sum of all the terms of a sequence. Means if you write 5, 13, 21, if you put comma in between, then it will form a sequence. But when you find sum of the terms of the sequence, then it is known as series. So here, because of this plus sign, they have written series. That is the only difference. So now you solve this question on your own. I'll write the answer. Here the sum is 2139. In this question, see, this is not a direct question. In this question, we are not given how many terms are there in this series, but we are given the last term and first term. So we can use the second formula directly and we can find the sum. And another method, if you want, you can find the total number of terms and you can use the first formula, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Or since the last term is given, so we can use the next n by 2 a plus l formula. You will also find these type of question. Question is, find the sum of first 20 terms. So whenever you find these type of question, one by one read one line and write mathematically. Find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP, means we have to find sum of 20 terms, in which third term is 7, third term means A3, and seventh term is 2 more than thrice its third term. Now how to write this line mathematically? So there is a trick, and the trick is you always read in the reverse order. Seventh term means A7. So this seventh term means the seventh term is equals to 2 more than thrice its third term. So we'll read in the reverse direction. Third term means A3. Thrice its third term, thrice means 3 times. 2 more than thrice, 2 more than means plus 2. And this is equals to seventh term. Okay. So seventh term is 2 more than thrice its third term. So this is how we can convert this word word problem mathematically easily. Okay, you read in the reverse order. So these are the things we are given here in this question. We are given third term, and the relation between third term and seventh term is also given, and we have to find the sum of first 20 terms. So before we find the sum of 20 terms, we need first term and common difference, that we will find from here. So we are given A3, which is 7. A3 means A plus 2D. By using general term formula, A plus n minus 1, here n is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So A3 is A plus 2D. And this A7 is this, so we'll put value here, general term formula here. So A7 means A plus 6D, which is equals to A3. A3 means A plus 2D plus 2. Simplify. A plus 6D, 3A plus 6D plus 2. This 6D and 6D will cancel out. Okay. So we'll get 3A minus A, 2A is equals to minus 2. It means A is equals to minus 1. So from here we got the first term. Now to find the common difference, we'll put the value here. So since this A plus 2D is 7, so 2D is equals to 7 minus 1 plus 1. So D is equals to 8 by 2 means 4. So first term is minus 1, common difference is 4. So now we can find sum of 20 terms very easily. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. Now simplify. 10 minus 2, here 19 plus multiply by 76. 76 minus 2 is 74, multiplied by 10 is 740. So this is how we can solve these type of question. Now the next type of question from this topic is this. In this question, how many terms of the series be taken so that their sum is 513? Here we are given sum, and the series is also given, the sequence is also given, but we have to find how many terms are taken. Okay, means we have to find the total number of terms whose sum is 513, means we have to find n here. So here we are given sum of how many terms that we don't know, means we have to find n. From here we can find first term, which is 54, and also common difference, which is minus 3. So some formula we will use here, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, and this sum is 513. Now we'll put the values in the formula. 2 multiplied by 54 plus n minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. Let us simplify. N by 2, here 108 minus 3n plus 3, which is equals to 513. Then just multiply this 2 with this 513. And we can also add this 108 and 13. So we'll get 111. And here when you multiply, okay, so we can take 3 common, or first we can write in this means it's a quadratic equation. We can take 3 common, so n square minus 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and here 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 2s are 6. So you got a quadratic equation. We can easily find the values of n by splitting the middle term method. So when you simplify, you'll get n minus 18 and n minus 19 as factors. So you'll get 2 values of n. So the question is whether both the answers are correct. So yes, both the answers are correct, because here the common difference is negative. It means the terms are in decreasing order. So when you put the value of, when you find the value of 19th term, you will get 0. Okay, so the first of 18, the sum of first 18 term is 513, and since the 19th term is 0, so the sum of 19th term is also 513. So both the answers are correct.